Sườn Ram Mặn. I'm so grateful for this delicious meal that I just made. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal. If you happen to stumble on this video and you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more cooking videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make caramelized spare pork ribs, and it is also known as Sườn Ram Mặn. This is a Vietnamese dish. I hope you enjoy the tutorial. So on here I have 3 pounds of pork spare ribs. These are 3 pounds here. What I did with this is I boiled it, hot boiling water. I put a tablespoon of salt in there, and then I put the ribs inside, let it boil for 7 minutes. I dumped the water, washed the ribs a couple times so there is no impurities on it. It's very clean right now. So this is the main ingredient for this dish. So pork spare ribs is the name of the dish, and Vietnamese is Sườn Ram Mặn. So let me show you how I do this. Go ahead and cut the ribs into about 1 inch. You have it all cut into about 1 inch. So right here I have 5 cloves of garlic cloves. Here I have 5 garlic cloves. And here I have 6 spring onions, 6 pieces. I cut the green part separately because I want to put this on the top of the dish when it's done. So this is what I have. This is all the cutting I have to do. So easy, so fast. Now it's time for cooking. So I prepare all the ingredients, all the cutting for the pork spare ribs. Now it's time for cooking. I like it because it's so easy, so simple to make. I'll do is gonna put 2 tablespoons of cane sugar. This is brown sugar, cane brown sugar. When you see it's brown, make sure you lower the heat because you don't want it to turn to dark, and it will have a smell, a burnt smell, taste to it. So just be careful with the heat when it turns brown. So with this, I'm gonna go ahead and give it 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of oil. I put in the garlic and the white part of the spring onion. I'll go ahead and put all the pork inside, the spare rib pork. To marinate, I'm gonna get this 1 tablespoon, half tablespoon of salt. This is vegetarian mushroom, oyster mushroom. 2 tablespoons of the oyster mushroom, vegetarian. Half tablespoon of black pepper. And right here I have coconut water. Coconut water. And this one is 16 ounce. I use half of coconut water, so that would be 8 ounces. And I will give this fish sauce 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Okay, so what I will do is I will go ahead and close the lid and let it cook for 15 minutes. I will check back on it. This has been cooking in the last 25 minutes. All the juice is about dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and test the taste to see how it goes. If it did anything else. It is very hot, so you gotta be extra careful. I don't want to burn my tongues with this. It tastes just right. A little salty, a little sweet, savory. It's perfect for this with steamed rice and salad vegetable that I prepared for this dish. So at the end, this is the spring onion that I cut this out. And powder, black pepper powder. So this dish takes about 25 to 30 minutes of cooking and 10 minutes of preparation. That's within 1 hour. And you have this delicious caramelized pork ribs. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer to 2 plates that I prepared for, one for myself and one for Vivian. I have brown rice here. That's how you have it. Very delicious looking. Sườn Ram Mặn. I'm so grateful for this delicious meal that I just made.